We are pleased to show you the 2021 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.